Okay, so this is going to talk about surface area of a sphere. And remember, a sphere is a ball. The radius is equidistant from any point in the center of this sphere. Surface area, we're going to talk about what it takes to wrap something around the ball. How much quantity, how much area do we need? How much area is around the ball, like if we covered it with, let's say, material of some kind. So area is measured in square inches. So basically a 1 inch by 1 inch, or 1 foot by 1 foot, or 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter little area. So this patch, how many of these patches can we put around these 1 by 1 patches? 1 square inch patch can I put all around the outside of this ball? That's what surface area is. Surface area. And for a sphere, the formula for surface area would be 4 times pi r squared. Now, if you look at the surface area, when you look at, let's say, they call it a net. So if I was going to take this ball and kind of open up everything on the outside and kind of fan it out and try to measure the surface area from that, one way to do that is, notice what I did here is I drew a bunch of lines like this around the ball. And then if you can think of this as opening it up, like disconnecting it from the back and then making it flat, it would look something like this. So it's a bunch of these kind of ellipses that they point at the bottom. So if I had to close this into a ball, all the tops and bottoms would kind of merge in together, and then it would form a sphere. Anyways, just something to think about. But for our purposes, you'll get a problem like this where you have a sphere and it'll show you a radius, and in our case here it's 2 inches. So we have the formula here for surface area is equal to 4 times pi times 2 squared. And I already filled in the 2 here, but the formula up here on top is 4 times pi times r squared. Okay, so that's the radius squared. And if I just plug in stuff here, surface area equals 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times r squared. So my radius is 2. So I need 2 of them, 2 times 2. And if I multiply all these out, I get 50.24 inches squared. And again, what we're talking about here is area, so that's why this is squared. With volume, the units are cubed. We're not talking about how much it takes to fill the ball up. We're talking about what it takes to cover the ball with something, the outside of the ball.